All right, to find the dodge and burn tools within Affinity, when you launch it should look something like this. You want to actually select the develop option, and then that'll take you over to pixels. What you want to then do is go down to this one here, adjustment brush tool, and select that. And then once the adjustment brush tool is selected, you'll get this brush flyout, and then within there you'll find your burn and dodge tools. And from here, it works pretty similar to what you might be used to in other programs. So if I select a dodge, I can adjust my opacity up here to wherever you want it, your flow, all that kind of stuff, all the usual stuff that you can set. You can decide if you want your shadows, your midtones, or your highlights. So in this image, clearly it's the highlights. So I'm going to drop that down a little bit and then just kind of brush over it. And you can kind of see as I do each pass, it gets a little bit lighter. Or if I want to go really extreme, of course, crank it up to 100. And then go over it, and that makes it really obvious what I'm doing. And that's pretty much it. To adjust the size of it, you can use your keyboard. Brackets. Or you can adjust the size by going up here to the left and adjusting your size that way. And that's it. If you're coming from Photoshop, really the question is, where is it? Once you find it, functionality is all pretty much the same.